My name is Bob Benner. I'm the owner of Hamill Machine Company in Niagara Falls, Ontario. I've owned the company for almost 27 years. We're a growing company, so we had to find a different revenue stream to bring our sales up. So we decided on the winery industry. 26 years ago, there was 3 wineries, now there's 130. We started producing aluminum barrel racks. The big advantage was 27 pounds versus 49 pounds for the steel racks. The other advantage was ergonomics. We started and they sold as fast as we made them, but we were making them manually and it was hard to make any money. Actually, we couldn't make any money. So we talked to Niagara College. We worked together with their engineers through a SONAMI fund, and they produced our jig to hold our barrel rack parts. At the same time, we purchased a robot that could weld them. So now we went from 3 racks a day maybe up to 40 racks a day. Now we're making money on our racking. So it was a huge success for us as a company.